Is your iPhone home screen looking more like a digital jungle than a streamlined workspace? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you the super simple steps to delete those pesky shortcuts and reclaim your screen real estate in under 90 seconds. First, identify the shortcut you want to get rid of. Remember, deleting a shortcut doesn't delete the actual app, it just removes the icon from your home screen. Now, press and hold down on the shortcut icon until a menu pops up. You'll see a few options here. Look for something along the lines of remove app, delete app, or edit home screen. The wording might vary slightly depending on your iOS version. Tap on that option. A prompt will appear, confirming if you want to remove the shortcut from the home screen. Be careful here. Make sure it says remove from home screen and not delete app. Deleting the app will uninstall it completely. Tap on remove from home screen to confirm. And just like that, the shortcut is gone. Your home screen is a little cleaner now. Repeat this process for any other shortcuts you want to delete. With a few taps, you can drastically improve your iPhone's organization. Taking a few minutes to delete unwanted shortcuts can dramatically improve your iPhone experience. Now go forth and conquer that cluttered home screen. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.